ఓన్లీ పాలిసెట్ కి అప్లై చేశాను మ్యామ్.
Okay, Madhumita. Okay, students. Again, we will have interaction tomorrow. Good evening to everyone. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology, free online coaching for MJP, RJC, and Polycet. Now, I would like to invite Arun sir to start the session.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Hello, students. Good evening, everyone. All right. So hope your exam went good. So performance చేశారనుకుంటున్నాను. I was there in Nizamabad yesterday. I could meet quite a few students. బాగా అనిపించింది. Parents కూడా కలిసాము. And team also went to Hyderabad, Warangal and Mehboob Nagar. Teachers వెళ్ళారు. నేను నిజామాబాద్కి వెళ్ళాను నిన్న. All right, బాగా అనిపించింది కలిసి. So I met quite a few students. Tushara, Gyaneshwar, Mahesh, ఇంకా చాలా మందిని కలిసాను. All right. So students, today let's again begin with the chapter 1, reflection. So shall we get started? Are you all ready? Students, interact చేయండి as usual గా. All right, good. Yeses. Ready. All right, good. Sharan, Gyaneshwar, Sandhya, Jyoti, Varshit. All right, thank you, and many more. All right, let's get started, students. Here's the first question. Students, ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫిజిక్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ లో లాజికల్ ఉంటుంది, న్యూమరికల్స్ ఉంటాయి, కానీ మెమరీ బేస్డ్ చాలా తక్కువ ఉంటాయి. లాజికల్ లో మీకు రే డయాగ్రామ్ మీకు గుర్తుంటే రే డయాగ్రామ్ మీద హోల్డ్ ఉంటే మంచిగా ఆన్సర్ చేయగలుగుతారు. అందుకే రే డయాగ్రామ్ మీరు మెమరీ బేస్డ్ లాగా డోంట్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ మెమరీ. రే డయాగ్రామ్ విజువలైజ్ చేసి చేయండి. ఒకవేళ పేపర్ పెన్ తీసుకొని రే డయాగ్రామ్ తొందరగా డ్రా చేసి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. All right, here's the first question, students. Virtual image is always diminished, enlarged, erected, inverted. Please make an attempt. That will improve your confidence, students. Yeah, all those who have answered till now is absolutely right. Sandhya is right. Sacharan is right. Gyaneshwar is right. Varshit is right. There is a wrong answer. Students, okay, exam అయిపోయింది. We are moving towards next exam. మీ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఇంకా పెరగాలి. మీ కరెక్ట్ మీ షార్ట్ ఉండాలి. ఇప్పుడు స్టూడెంట్స్ ఒకవేళ తప్పు జరిగితే ప్లీజ్ కరెక్ట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు కూడా తప్పు ఆన్సర్స్ వస్తున్నాయి నా దగ్గరికి. వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ అంటున్నాడు. ఏదో మిర్రర్, నాట్ స్పెసిఫిక్ టు మిర్రర్. వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? కాన్వెక్స్ లో డిమినిష్ ఉంటుంది, ఓకే. కాన్కేవ్ లో ఎన్లార్జ్ ఉంటుంది. ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ లో సేమ్ సైజ్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ కామనాలిటీ ఏముంటుంది? మోనికా, ప్లీజ్ థింక్ అగైన్. Okay, I'll reveal the key, but let's go forward with more confidence. I appreciate your confidence, students, but again, you should correct yourself when you're going wrong. Yes, Monica, you have changed your answer now. That's good. What made you go wrong in the first go? First go, confident ga change, students. Yes, it's erected. That's perfectly right. Yeah, the ones who have gone wrong, please correct yourself. We are moving towards another exam. We have crossed one level. Now we are going to face another exam. So one battle is over, another battle to come. Okay, Monica, that's okay. Confusion is okay, but correction is important. See, Monica, think now it's an exam. Exam laga cheyandi. Practice session e kaani koncham exam laga practice cheyandi. Already ఎందుకంటే ఒక ఎగ్జామ్ ఆల్రెడీ రాసేసాం కదా, ఒక ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వచ్చేసింది మీకు. కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వచ్చేసింది. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని కూడా కొంచెం ఎగ్జామ్ లాగానే అటెంప్ట్ చేయండి. నేను కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ వెళ్ళొచ్చు, కానీ ఎగ్జామ్ లాగా అటెంప్ట్ చేయండి. ఆల్రైట్, కానీ కరెక్షన్ ఇస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. తప్పుపోయినా దట్స్ ఓకే, కానీ ఇప్పుడు ప్రాక్టీస్ సెషన్ కొంచెం సీరియస్నెస్ ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. ఇది ప్రాక్టీస్ సెషనే, తప్పుపోతే నో ప్రాబ్లం, బట్ సీరియస్నెస్ కొంచెం ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి. ఆల్రైట్, ట్రై టు బి షూర్ షాట్ ఇన్ ది ఆన్సర్. లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ ది నెక్స్ట్ వన్. At where should the object be placed if the image is formed between focus and center of curvature of the concave mirror? Focal point beyond center of curvature, between mirror and focus, on the center of curvature. Yeah, Monica is right, perfectly right now. Yeah, all answers are right. Excellent. Another answer, students. Another చేయండి. See, we all want you to train well for the exam. If training is tough, exam becomes easy, students. All right, let's look at the key. Absolutely, everyone is right. There are 2 students who have gone wrong. It is not 4 students. 4 low. Yes, beyond center of curvature is absolutely right, Madhumita. Second is absolutely right. 4 on the at the center of curvature పెడితే center of curvature లో పై దగ్గరే వస్తుంది image, inverted వస్తుంది. So he says formed between focus and center of curvature. Right, let's go for the next one. According to sign convention, distance which is measured in the direction of incident light is to be taken as positive, negative, no sign, any sign. Good, consistent answer. Sure, short answers. Excellent. Good, Vishwanath, Jyoti, Harshita. So many answers. They are scrolling faster than I can read. Excellent, students. Exam lo kuda ilane cheyali. Yeah, there is a wrong answer. There is one wrong answer. I don't want to name the wrong answers. Okay. I don't want to discourage you. Saivardhan 2 answers ఇచ్చారు. మీరు ఏదో ఒకటి ట్రై చేయండి. In the race of incident ray direction, convention ఏంటి? పాజిటివ్ తీసుకుంటారా డిస్టెన్సెస్, నెగటివ్ తీసుకుంటారా? Yes, Monica is right. Varshit is right. Many students are right, but there are students who've gone wrong. That is what is bothering me. తప్పు పోతే తప్పు ఏం లేదు స్టూడెంట్స్, బట్ కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. We have already crossed one level of battle, but the war is on. But I really appreciate the confidence with which you're answering. Let's look at the key, students. It's positive. నేను కొన్ని విషయాలు మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానంటే స్టూడెంట్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి మెచ్యూర్డ్ ఇనఫ్ టు అటాక్ ద పేపర్ ఇన్ అ మోర్ కాన్ఫిడెంట్ వే. కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందంటే మీరు ఎన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అటెంప్ట్ చేస్తే అంత కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ పెరుగుతుంది. అందుకే అందరు అటెంప్ట్ చేయండి అని అంటున్నాను. ఐఎమ్ ఎంకరేజింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్ టు అటెంప్ట్. తప్పుపోతే తప్పు ఏం లేదు, బట్ సీరియస్నెస్ కొంచెం పెరగాలి. ఇది ప్రాక్టీస్ సెషనే, దట్స్ నో డౌట్. బట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ సెషన్ ని కొంచెం ఎగ్జామ్ లాగా మైండ్ సెట్ తో అటెంప్ట్ చేయండి. Here's the next one, students. For a plane surface, if the angle of incidence is 30 degrees, the angle of reflection is. So, law of reflection law. Okay, Monica is right. Okay, angle of incidence 30 degrees, students. Angle of reflection ఏముంటుంది? We know that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, కదా? Laws of reflection law. Okay, Gary is right. Shruti is right. Monica is right. Sharon is right. Sai Charan is right. Gyaneshwar is right. Good. Gyaneshwar is 100% sure, he says. All right. Good. That is what is required, students. Excellent. Saivardhan is right. Okay. Varshit is right. Shruti is right. Anyway, right. I told you already. Shalini is right. Agnivesh is right. Pranati is right. Varshit is right. Harshita. Mohammad Faisal. Yes, Sai Charan. That's the law of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, students. అందుకే 30 degrees ఉంటుంది. Not just for a plane surface, even for a curved surface, మీరు నార్మల్ వేస్తే సర్ఫేస్ కి విత్ ద నార్మల్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ 30 degrees ఉంటే యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్ కూడా 30 degrees ఉంటుంది. All right, let's go for the next one. Here it's an see students. ఇప్పుడు వరకు అన్ని వచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్స్ ఓరల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్. స్టార్టింగ్ సెషన్ కాబట్టి ఓరల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ చాలా పెట్టాను. They are called look and say questions. చూసి చెప్పగలవాలి. Look and say. చూడాలి చెప్పాలి. All right, no pen and paper required. If an object is placed at C of a concave mirror of size 5 centimeters, and the object size 5 centimeters, then size of the images. All right, consistent response again. Good. Everyone is right this time. I'm happy that I didn't get any wrong answer as yet, and I hope I will not get any wrong answer. There is one wrong answer. Yes, Harshita, you are right, absolutely right. If the object is at C, image is also at C inverted. So size of the image is same as size of the object. Yes, Faisal, exactly right, absolutely right. So let's look at the key. It's 5 students, 10 kaadu. There is a student who has answered 10, but please correct yourself. Endukante at C, if you keep a concave mirror around, if you keep a object, it will form at C itself but inverted. All right. Magnification is negative, but equal to -1. Magnitude is 1. Let's look at the next one, students. For a concave mirror, all the normal will converge towards a point is called normal. Ekkada converge aithe for a concave mirror. For a spherical mirror, in fact, any spherical mirror. This is the wrong answer. Most of you are right, but there are wrong answers, students. Chala fast scroll avutundi gaani nenu wrong answer kuda chudagalugunnanu. I will not name the ones who have answered wrongly, but went wrong. But I really suggest that you go and correct yourself. Note cheskondi. All right, let's look at the key. It's center of curvature, students. No, he's not asking where the incident rays converge. All right, he's asking where the normals will converge. Normal draw cheste aa normals ekkada intersect aitayi center of curvature ki. Endukante from center for a spherical surface, radius is always normal to it. Right, from center of curvature to sphere, it is normal. All right, let's go for the next one. The image formed by a plane mirror is dash and dash. Virtual and erect, real and erect, virtual and inverted, real and inverted. That's okay, Shruti. It's okay to be confused. That's okay, but correct yourself. Good. Mixed response here too. Students, now be serious, very serious that you correct yourself. Correct చేసుకోండి. ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి మీకు పాలిసెట్ లో, ఎంజేపీ ఆర్జీసీ లో, సెట్ లో. Make sure, see, competition ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది students. It's competitive exam. This is not formative or summative assessment exam that you can just simply write some descriptive answer. So you'll be evaluated just based on the content you write. అలా ఉండదు. చాలా మంది కట్ థ్రోట్ కాంపిటీషన్ ఉంటుంది స్టూడెంట్స్. It's a competitive exam. You have to be sure shot. Okay, now I'm getting right answers. All right. Let's look at the key. Yes, one is absolutely right, students. Monica, Varshit, Gyaneshwar, Lahari, Sai Charan. But there are students who have gone wrong. Real and erect impossible, students. For a real object, there are cases where you will get real and erect. There are cases where you get real and erect, but that's at intermediate level, advanced level. 10th class level, though, for an object kept placed in front of plane mirror, you'll get virtual and erect. ఎప్పుడు వేరే కేసెస్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తాయి అది మేము తర్వాత నేర్పిస్తాము. మీరు ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లో వచ్చినప్పుడు నేర్పిస్తాము. కానీ ప్రస్తుతానికి ఫర్ ద 10th క్లాస్ లెవెల్లో syllabus lo ochina unna syllabus lo for an object kept in front of plane mirror, you'll have virtual and erect. Virtual and behind the mirror and erect. All right. All right. Let's go for the next one. You have to cook rice with the help of a solar cooker. So we have to keep the vessel at pole, center of curvature, focus, or beyond C. Be careful, students. అర్థం చేసుకోండి సోలార్ కుక్కర్ లో ఏమవుతుంది సోలార్ కుక్కర్ లో I have to convert whole of the energy of the rays coming from sun to the vessel. Yes, excellent. I'm getting consistent answer. Excellent, students. Excellent. There are students who've gone wrong. 2 students have gone wrong. Yes, Manitesh, absolutely right. Monica is absolutely right. Varshit is absolutely right. Saicharan is right. There is a student who's gone wrong. Student, it is not center of curvature, it is focus. All right, focus is the point where whole of the energy is coming. అందుకే మనం ఉంటాం కదా ఫోకస్ చేయండి అంటే మీ మొత్తం కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ పెట్టండి మీ అంత ఎనర్జీని కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయండి. సో దట్స్ హౌ ద టర్మ్ కేమ్. ఫోకస్ అంటే వేర్ ద హోల్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ ద సన్ రేస్ ఐ కెన్ make the whole energy concentrate towards a point. So that's called focus. Here's the next one, students. The angle of incidence is the angle between. I should not get any wrong response for this question, students. Sarna, ఇది తప్పు వెళ్ళొద్దు, తప్పుకోకూడదు దీంట్లో. Please be careful in answering this one. The angle of incidence is the angle between incident ray and surface of mirror, reflected ray and surface of mirror, normal to the surface and incident ray, normal to the surface and reflected ray. Definition of angle of incidence. ఎలా మెజర్ చేస్తాము angle of incidence? Normal to the surface, angle of reflection ఎలా మెజర్ చేస్తారు మోనికా మరి? నార్మల్ టు సర్ఫేస్ అండ్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రే అనుకుంటే మీరు రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రే యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఎలా మెజర్ చేస్తారు? Okay, mixed response now. Yeah, all right. That's what. See, your ray diagram, ray optics is all based on ray diagram, students. Ray diagram lo expertise unte ray optics is a cakewalk. It is just a matter of seconds you can answer questions with confidence. I'm going a little slow because I want your effort to be channeled. I still see, students, I want you to come out of the practice session mode and come to the exam session mode. We have already crossed one level of exam, TSRJC. All right, I'll explain the question again, students. Angle of incidence is angle between. ఇది సర్ఫేస్ ఆఫ్ మిర్రర్ అనుకుంటే ఇది నార్మల్ ఉంటుంది, ఇది యాంగిల్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే అనుకుంటే ఇది రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రే, ఇది ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే, ఇది రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రే. ఈ యాంగిల్ ఏంటి, ఈ యాంగిల్ ఏంటి అని అడుగుతున్నారు. యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెన్స్ దేంతో మెజర్ చేస్తాం మనం? సర్ఫేస్ నుంచి మెజర్ చేస్తామా, నార్మల్ నుంచి మెజర్ చేస్తామా అని అడుగుతున్నారు. Yes, Aicharan, that's absolutely right. I hope you have understood the question, Monica. Excellent, Monica. You got the right answer. All right, let's go for the next question. I would like to speed up the process. By mistake, I revealed the answer, but so I'll just quickly go through the radius of curvature of the concave mirror is 30 centimeters. If the object is placed at 10 centimeters from the mirror, then the image is magnified real image, diminished real image, diminished virtual image, magnified virtual image. Then answer చూపించేసాను by mistake. So you tell me the reason behind it. ఎందుకు virtual and magnified వస్తుంది? You can either solve it through pen and paper, through numerical as a numerical problem, or through a ray diagram. Ray diagram is very quick, students. Ray optics అంటేనే ray diagram. Maniteja, I really appreciate your understanding of ray optics. Excellent, Maniteja. Your answer is absolutely right. I'm really happy. That shows your understanding of ray optics, Maniteja. I'm sure you will do excellently well in physics in intermediate. Intermediate లో ఫిజిక్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నారు అనుకుంటే ఫిజిక్స్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఉంటుంది. అప్పుడు చాలా బాగా చేస్తారు మీరు. All right. Yes, Bhavani, excellent. Shruti is also excellent. Excellent response. Students, we will discuss all these things in detail. I'll teach you ray diagrams in detail when you come to intermediate, such that you can crack any problem, any damn problem, even engineering problem easily. Ray diagrams చాలా interesting ఉంటాయి. Ray diagram మనం 6 cases నేర్చుకుంటాము. But there are so many different approaches to ray diagram. Excellent, Harika. That's absolutely right. Thank you so much, Shiva, for the compliment. But it's all for your good. Sai Charan, you're absolutely right. All right, let's go for the next one. I'm sorry I revealed the answer, but you already knew the answer. You have given the answer all in a very, very good explanation has been given for this answer. That shows your confidence and expertise in this ray optics. I really appreciate that. The ones who have already answered so many answers I've got with the same explanation. That's absolutely right. Good, Harika. Let's go for the next one. Students, again, a look and say question. Quick answer. I'll just give you 5 seconds for this answer. Headlights of the car uses dash mirror, convex, concave, plano-convex, plano-concave. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Consistent answer. You got absolutely right. I'll go for the key. Yes, concave. Excellent. Let's go for the next one. At which of the following positions of the object in a concave mirror, inverted image is formed? Between F and C, between P and F, on F, none of the above. Another look and say question. Inverted image, ekkada pedte form avutundi. I got a wrong answer as well. Wrong answer vaste naaku koncham baadha avutundi, students. But that's okay. Correct cheskunte I will be happy. Yeah, Vishwant, your answer is right, but look at the reason you have given. Inverted image kavali. All right, let's go for the key. It's 1 between F and C, obviously. So ray diagram is what you have to, that should come to your mind. Ray diagram, okay, picture laga vacheyali, students. All right, not based on memory. The gurtu petkoni kuda cheppochu. Between F and C unte inverted untundani. But ray optics is all about ray diagrams. You draw the ray, you will find the way. All right, dari dorkatledante ray diagram draw cheyandi. Dari dortundi. You will find a ray, you draw the ray, find a way. All right, let's go for the next one. If focal length of the concave mirror is 20, we get virtual image if the object is placed at a distance of dash than 20, less than 20, more than 20, equal to 20, double to that of 20. Excellent. Look at the options carefully, students. 1 less, 2 more, 3 equal, 4 double. Manaki virtual image kavali, students. Concave mirror lo virtual kavali. Kontamandi tappu answer istunnaru. That's why I'm repeating the question. More than pedte emautundi, less than pedte emautundi. Now virtual eppudu vastundi? Think of the ray diagram or quickly draw the ray diagram. Oka pole focus petkoni oka ray diagram object petkoni draw cheyandi ray diagram. Yes, good. You have changed your answer. Good. Let's look at the key, students. It's less. Pole inka focus మధ్యలో ఉంటేనే కదా స్టూడెంట్స్ మనకి వర్చువల్ వస్తుంది. Yes, I said that's absolutely right. Pole inka focus మధ్యలో ఉంటేనే మనకి virtual image, enlarged image వస్తుంది. So pole is at focal length 20 ఇచ్చారు. So pole inka focus is at a distance of 20 centimeters. Focal length is 20. నేను ఫోకస్ లోపల పెట్టాలి కదా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని. అప్పుడు నాకు వర్చువల్ అండ్ enlarged image వస్తుంది. So less than 20 centimeters ఉండాలి. Let's go for the next one. Here, students, There's a mistake in this options. So you tell me the answer very carefully. All right. I didn't correct it. Deliberately నేను correct చేయలేదు. నాకు ఆన్సర్ కావాలి. Correct answer కావాలి. Which of the following is the formula for magnification? Okay. 3 is absolutely right. Okay. But look at the options carefully, students. 3 is absolutely right. That's right. But there is one more answer. Look at it carefully. Yes, Sajjan, that's absolutely right. But I want you to look at the options carefully again. ఇంకొక ఆప్షన్ ఉంది. So the multiple correct answer అయిపోయింది. There are two correct answers here. Yes, Bhavani, absolutely right. Bhavani is absolutely right. Veda is absolutely right. Veda is absolutely right. No, this is for the mirror students. I'm sorry, we are doing reflection. Jyoti is absolutely right. Mohammed Faisal is absolutely right. Excellent students. Yes, Gyaneshwar, that's for the lens. Fourth one is for the lens, but we are doing reflection chapter, so we are doing mirrors only. Look at this first one, students. First one is also same thing. Hi by ho is minus v by u. So ho by hi is minus u by v. So there are, one is also right. 1 and 3 are exactly the same thing, just inverted. Agreed? You all agree with that? Yeah, all right. Let's go for the next one. All right. Varshit, all I'm saying is hi by ho is minus v by u, right? So if I invert on both the sides, all right, divide by 1 by hi by ho on both the sides. So I'll get ho by hi is equal to minus u by v. Minus v by u only, hi by ho. Now ho by hi is minus u by v. So first one is also right. All right, let's go for the next one. Yeah, good version. A real image is always enlarged, inverted, diminished, erect. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's the key. That should be the rapid response, students. Excellent response. Rapid response. Inverted, students. Excellent. Virtual image is erect always. All right. Virtual image is always erected, but inverted image, a real image is always inverted. It could be enlarged or diminished depending on the cases, but it's always inverted. Let's go for the next one. Yes, Saivardhan, you want to say something? You have raised your hand. You want to say something? Type it in the chat box, Saivardhan. If at all you want to convey something, type it in the chat box. All right, here is the next question, students. Okay. Which of the following image is formed when the reflected rays intersect? Inverted image, real image, virtual image, erect image. We are talking of reflection. Students, please correct చేసుకోండి. Do not take it lightly. Do not take it very casually. Seriously, తీసుకొని correct చేసుకోండి. I'm encouraging you so that your confidence develops. But it is very wrong. It is very, very, very wrong not to correct yourself. You go wrong. All right. Please write your wrong. Yes. Please read the options carefully, students. What I'm saying is, ఒకసారి తప్పు చెప్తున్నారు, మళ్ళీ కరెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు. ఆల్రెడీ ఎగ్జామ్ లో అలా ఛాన్స్ ఉండదు. ప్రాక్టీస్ సెషన్ కాబట్టి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది, బట్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఛాన్స్ ఉండదు. షూర్ షాట్ ఉండాలి. One hit, a perfect hit. All right, let's go for the next one. Where should the image, where is the image formed when the object is placed on center of curvature of a concave mirror? This is very simple question, students. At center of curvature, 3, 2, 2, there is a 2 as well. Okay. There is a wrong response as well. Please correct yourself, students. నేను మీరు పేరు చెప్పను, మీ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ షాటర్ అవుతుంది. But I want you to encourage so that you correct yourself, so that when you go for the exam, you have a short answer. Let's look at the key, students. Center of curvature kada. Center of curvature మీద ఉంటే center of curvature దగ్గరే ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. రైట్, ఇది కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ అనుకుంటే సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ దగ్గర ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంటే అక్కడే కింద ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. అగైన్ రే డయాగ్రామ్. డ్రా ద రే, ఫైండ్ ద వే. ఒకవేళ మీకు ఆన్సర్ దొరకట్లేదంటే రే డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేయండి. దట్స్ ఎ వెరీ గుడ్ హ్యాబిట్ ఐమ్ టెలింగ్ యూ. ప్రాక్టీస్ లో డ్రా చేయండి, ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఇలా అయిపోతుంది. లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్. వేర్ ఇస్ ద ఇమేజ్ ఫార్మ్ ఇన్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇస్ ప్లేస్డ్ బిట్వీన్ మిర్రర్ అండ్ ఫోకస్? This is a sure shot. I want a sure shot answer for this one. It's a look and say question. Look and say. Choose చెప్పొచ్చు. Excellent. Consistent response. ఇంతకు ముందు కొంతమంది తప్పువారు, కానీ ఇప్పుడు అందరు కరెక్ట్ చెప్తున్నారు. Not at focus. Student, it is not at focus. Object is not at focus. అప్పుడు ఇన్ఫినిటీకి వెళ్తుంది. It is between mirror and focus, students. Focus దగ్గర ఉంటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఫోకస్ మీద ఉంటే ఇన్ఫినిటీకి వెళ్తుంది. But it's between mirror and focus. So it will be behind the mirror, virtual, enlarged, erect, and behind the mirror. Let's go for the next one. To get an image larger than the object, one can use a convex mirror but not a concave mirror. Concave mirror but not a convex mirror. Either a convex mirror or a concave mirror. A plane mirror. Students, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మీ 10th సిలబస్ లో ఒక ఆన్సర్ ఉంటుంది, మీ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సిలబస్ లో ఇంకొక ఆన్సర్ ఉంటుంది. అది అప్పుడు చెప్తాను. అది చాలా డీటెయిల్ ఉంటుంది, చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంటుంది. అది చాలా బాగుంటుంది, ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ చాలా బాగుంటుంది. బట్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ విత్ ఇన్ ద సిలబస్ ఆఫ్ 10th మీ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. Students are getting confused between two options. All right, let's look at the key. Sai Charan has given me an excellent response. Sai Charan, this is for you. Sai Charan has got a very good clarity of the concept, ray diagrams and everything. Good. Okay, confusion is there. Another student has got a confusion. That's okay. I'll release the key now. It's concave mirror, students. Concave mirror లోనే మనకి image larger than the object వస్తుంది. In which case, but in convex లో ఏమవుతుంది? Or it's always smaller. Convex లో I have an object. It's always smaller than the object and virtual behind the mirror. In case of convex, right? So larger than image object కావాలంటే మనకి concave లోనే possible. ఇప్పుడు ఈ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ వరకు. Yes, Jyoti, you're right. Jyoti, you're absolutely right. All right, let's go for the next one. This also look and say, students, చూసి చెప్పాలి. If an object is placed 10 centimeters from the plane mirror, then the distance between the object and its image is. Visualize చేసి చెప్పండి, students. Visualize చేయండి. Don't just read the question, visualize the question. Distance between the object and image అంటున్నాడు. Image and mirror అనట్లేదు. Sharon, he is not saying image and mirror. He's saying, Vishwant, he is not saying image and mirror or object and mirror. He's saying object and image. Be careful with the question. That's what I'm telling you. Visualize the question, students. Mind lo mirror పెట్టుకొని, object పెట్టుకొని, then you think of where is the image formed and then measure the distance between. Yes, Sharon, you're absolutely right now. Excellent. Good, Sharon. All right, let's go for the next one. It's 20. Students, ఇది mirror. ఇక్కడ object ఉంది. ఇది 10. Image ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. ఇది 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Simple. చాలా మంది కరెక్ట్ ఇచ్చారు, కొంతమంది తప్పించారు. బట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇస్ కరెక్ట్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. The mirror for which the magnification is always less than 1. The mirror for which the magnification is always less than 1, students. Always less than 1. Concave mirror no less than 1 ఉంటుంది. But he says always less than 1. No matter where you keep the object ekkadunna sare, naaki image smaller than object రావాలి. That's possible only in which case? Plane mirror లో ఏమవుతుంది? It is same size. So plane mirror ruled out, concave mirror ruled out. Convex లో అవుతుందా? Let's see the key. Yes, it's convex, students. Absolutely right. చాలా మంది వన్ చెప్పారు, but there were students who answered 2. Concave లో కూడా ఉంటుంది, but the question says always less than 1. Look at the word used. He says always less. If I were to say magnification is less than 1, then concave and convex both are right. But he says always less than 1. Always is possible only in the case of convex mirror. है ना? All right, let's look at the next one, students. Magnification is positive for dash image. Real, virtual, inverted, direct. Yes, Monica, Mandesh. Okay. Quick responses. They are faster than I can read. Andar cheyandi. I'll give you another 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's look at the key. It's virtual, students. Virtual only naku positive vastundi because it's erect. Here is another visualization. Figure shows the image of a clock as seen in the plane mirror. The correct time is the image. Plane mirror or image. Now correct time kavali. దీంట్లో approximately 235 అవుతుంది. ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ ఇమేజ్ లో నాకు యాక్చువల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ లో టైం ఎంత అవుతుంది కావాలి. డ్రా దిస్ రిఫ్లెక్షన్ డ్రా చేసి టైం చెప్పండి, అంతే సింపుల్. 235 ఇస్ ద టైం నౌ, కానీ కరెక్ట్ టైం కావాలి నాకు, ఇది ఇమేజ్ లో టైం. Now I'm getting correct responses. Yes, exactly. Janeshwar, yes. Most of you have given right answer. 925 is the right answer. All right, let's go for the next one. Excellent. Good evening, students. In mirror image చేసుకోండి. 2 కి ఫ్లిప్ సైడ్ ఏమొస్తుంది? 10 వస్తుంది. అది 10 కంటే తక్కువ ఉంది. 10 కంటే తక్కువ అంటే 9 సంథింగ్ ఉంటుంది. ఇది కింద 35 దగ్గర ఉంది. 35 కి రిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఏమొస్తుంది? 25 వస్తుంది. మీరు రిఫ్లెక్షన్ డ్రా చేసుకుంటే చాలా ఈజీ వస్తుంది, స్టూడెంట్స్. Here's the next one. Dash is called diverging mirror. Convex, concave, plane, none. Diverging mirror, students. Quickly చెప్పండి ఇది. Yes, I'll go for the next one. Yes, it's convex. Correct. Good. Next one. A 4 centimeter high object is placed in front of a plane mirror. What is the size of the image of the object? Look and say. Look and say questions again. You can say question again. Image size అడుగుతున్నాడు, స్టూడెంట్స్. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ సైజ్ ఇచ్చాడు, ఇమేజ్ సైజ్ అడుగుతున్నాడు. సైజ్ ఇచ్చాడు, డిస్టెన్స్ ఇవ్వలేదు మీరు డబుల్ చేయడానికి. హర్షిత, I don't know what your answer is. I didn't get your answer, Harshita. Okay. Students, 4 centimeters. ఇది ఆబ్జెక్ట్, స్టూడెంట్స్. ఇది మిర్రర్. సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ 4. సైజ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇమేజ్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి. ఇది ఆబ్జెక్ట్, ఇది మిర్రర్, ఇది ఇమేజ్. ఈ సైజ్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? ఇది 4 సెంటీమీటర్స్ అంటే ఈ సైజ్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? నాకు ఎవరో తప్పు వెళ్ళారు, వాళ్ళ కోసం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను నేను. ఎస్ సాయి చరణ్, దట్స్ రైట్, సేమ్ సైజ్. అదే సేమ్ సైజ్ ఉంటుంది కదా స్టూడెంట్స్. ఎస్, ద వన్స్ హు హావ్ గాన్ రాంగ్ ఐ వాంట్ దెమ్ టు కరెక్ట్ అగైన్. అందుకే మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. రైట్, సో ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 4 సెంటీమీటర్స్ ఇట్సెల్ఫ్. 4 సెంటీమీటర్ హై ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అంటున్నాడు. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ 4 సెంటీమీటర్ హై. ఇమేజ్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది, ఇది కూడా 4 సెంటీమీటర్స్ ఉంటుంది, ఇది ప్లేన్ మిర్రర్ కాబట్టి. ఎస్, ఆల్రైట్, ద వన్స్ హు హావ్ గాన్ రాంగ్, హావ్ యు ఆల్ అండర్స్టూడ్? ప్లీజ్ టైప్ yes in the chat box. తప్పు పోయిన వాళ్ళు అర్థమైపోయిందా మీకు తప్పు ఎక్కడ పోయిందని? All right, good, good, yes, all right, fine, fine, fine. Let's go for the next one. All right, good. A student observed the image of an object placed in front of a plane mirror. He wrote the properties of the image of an object. ఇది మంచి question, students. Which of the following is wrong? Be careful. ఈ 4 options లో తప్పు ఆప్షన్ ఏంటి? Image is virtual and erect. Size of the image is equal to size of the object. Image is laterally inverted. Distance of the image behind the mirror is greater than the distance of the object from the mirror. Be careful, students. Laterally inverted అంటే ఇలా స్టూడెంట్స్, లెఫ్ట్ ది రైట్ అయిపోతుంది, రైట్ ది లెఫ్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. మీరు మిర్రర్ లో చూస్తే మీ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ లాగా కనిపిస్తుంది, లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ లాగా కనిపిస్తుంది. But that's called lateral inversion. Yes, Maniteja, that's right. Yes, Gyaneshwar, Navneet, Kumari, Sai Charan, excellent. They're almost all the names are right. Everyone is right. There is a wrong answer, students. Lateral inversion to tappa ellaru meeru. Okay, Sai Charan is right. Yes. There is a wrong answer, student. Lateral inversion lo meeru artham chesukoyadu anukunta. Lateral inversion is when this side becomes, the right side seems to be left, left side seems to be left. This is inverted. This is called lateral inversion. Lateral inversion. 4 is wrong, students. He's saying which is wrong. Image virtual untundi, erect untundi, obviously, right? When you look into the mirror, size of the image is equal to size of the object. That's also obvious. Image is laterally inverted, left right అయిపోతుంది, right left అయిపోతుంది. That's also correct. So only wrong option is fourth one. Fourth one ఏంటి ఇప్పుడు? Distance of the image behind the mirror is greater than the distance of the object from the mirror అంట. అది ఈక్వల్ ఉండాలి కదా. ఇది ఆబ్జెక్ట్, ఇది మిర్రర్ అనుకుంటే, ఇది ఆబ్జెక్ట్, ఇది ఇమేజ్ ఇంకా మిర్రర్, ఈ డిస్టెన్స్ ఈక్వల్ ఉండాలి కదా. He says greater. That's why it's wrong. Let's go for the next one. An object is placed at center of curvature of a concave mirror. The distance between its image and its pole is. Look and say question, students. Look and say. మీ మైండ్ లో విజువల్ ఇమేజ్ వచ్చేయాలి, రే డయాగ్రామ్ ది ఇమేజ్ వచ్చేయాలి, అప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి. ఇది మెమరీ బేస్డ్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు. డోంట్ డూ దాట్. ఇన్ ఎ ప్రాక్టీస్ సెషన్, visualize the ray diagram in your mind. If you are unable to visualize, put it on paper. But ray diagram is important. Excellent, excellent. Everyone has given me the right answer. There is a wrong answer. There is a wrong answer. Okay, it is not 2, students. It is not 2. It is 3. Center of curvature దగ్గరే. Center of curvature దగ్గర ఉంటే center of curvature దగ్గర ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. What is the distance of center of curvature from the pole? 2f. So equal to 2f. That's it. Good. Yes, excellent. Let's go for the next one. This formula. Yes, Veda, you're right. You're right. I could not read all the names. Please don't mind. So I'm just focusing on the ones who are going wrong. All right. Right, as you know, really appreciable, students. Veda, you were right. So this question, f is equal to r by 2, is valid for convex, concave mirrors, convex and concave mirrors, neither convex nor concave mirrors. ఓకే అందరు కరెక్ట్ చెప్తున్నారు. ఓకే students, let's be quick. We have got mathematics session after this. It's both convex and concave. Excellent. Agnivesh, you had a confusion. It's for both. Next one, please. Look and say question, students. Radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 20 centimeters. What is the focal length of the concave mirror? Put a formula చూసాము. దాని application. Put a formula చూసాము కదా students. I should not get a wrong answer in this one. Now consistent answer రావాలి. Good. Yes, Veda. Excellent. I'll go for the next one. Because f is equal to r by 2, r is given as 20 centimeters, f is equal to 10 centimeters. 20 by 2 is 10. Excellent. No matter how far you stand from the mirror, your image appears erect. The mirror is likely to be. Manchi question, students. Concave only, plane only, convex only, either plane or convex. Yes, mixed response here. Veda has a confusion. చూడండి ఏం అడుగుతున్నారు? How, no matter how far you stand, ఎంత దూరం నిలబడినా సరే, ఎంత దూరం ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉన్నా సరే, నాకు ఇమేజ్ ఏమో ఇరెక్ట్ ఉండాలి. He is not talking about the size of the image. He is saying erect ఉండాలి. That's possible in plane mirror. That's possible in convex mirror. Plane mirror లో erect ఉంటుంది, same size ఉంటుంది. Convex mirror లో same erect ఉంటుంది, but size తక్కువ ఉంటుంది, diminished ఉంటుంది. But he's not talking about the size. He's saying only erect ఉండాలి. So they are both convex and plane. Excellent. You're right. You're all right. 4. Let's go for the next one, students. Yeah, here is a question. Nice question, students. The focal length of a concave mirror is in the experimental setup shown below equals to. The experimental setup word should have now gurtochin students. We are soon going to do some experiments. We'll upload those experiments in the YouTube channel. You subscribe cheskondi, you will get alert. You can watch those experiments. In fact, we'll explain those experiments in the Zoom session also. Sure, Larry. Why don't you put this question in the WhatsApp group, WhatsApp number 964222152226 or 7. Niku akkada anni answers istaru, Larry. Any query you have got? No, I will answer this question, but any query you have got, you please forward it to the WhatsApp number. And you have got only one number for that, 9642215227. అక్కడే అప్రోచ్ కావండి. మీరు ZCS కి అప్రోచ్ కావాలనుకుంటే ఆ నంబర్ కి అప్రోచ్ అవ్వండి. You don't have to approach any other number except that number. All right, let's look at the key. The key, I got a mixed response of this one. I would like to stop the session here. I will maths into the Miko. I will continue this session tomorrow, but I want mixed response of the students. I want you to understand this problem properly. Therefore, let us continue with this question tomorrow. I request Madam to take over. Gayatri Madam, would you please take over the session? Over to you, ma'am.
All right. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
ma'am.
sir. Very good evening, students. Yes, sir.
Madam, your voice is very feeble.
One second, sir. Yes, now is it clear, sir?
Yeah, it's perfect right now, ma'am. Perfect.
Very good evening, students. Hope you all have done your exams excellently well. So today, what we are going to see in mathematics is all about arithmetic progressions. So let me teach you the basics and we'll do few basic problems so that you will understand how to use the formulas and get the correct answers. All right, students. So today we'll not have much of MCQs. We'll have more conceptual sums. Okay, fine. So when we talk about arithmetic progressions, what is it? It is nothing but, in many times, like in our life, we would have seen certain patterns. So what patterns? Like you would have seen a sunflower. In that, how the petals are being arranged. All right. And you would have seen the pineapple fruit. In that, how these spirals are, coming in that fruit. So there is one particular pattern that is being followed, right? And few more examples I can give you, in a school, right? Especially the heights of some students of the heights of the students in a school who are standing in the assembly or who are standing in a queue. So they are arranged as per their height orders. Even that follows some pattern. All right. And another thing is the minimum temperatures, like in degrees Celsius, that we usually record it for a week. Even that forms a pattern. Right? Like that, we have many things where this arithmetic progressions is being used even in our day-to-day life. So before we learn any chapters, we must know the application of it, isn't it? All right. So now let's move on to what is arithmetic progression. All right. Fine. In this, you just consider the list of numbers. Like you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So what is this each term, each number is called? It is nothing but term. Each number is called as a term. All right. Now then what is arithmetic progression? It is nothing but a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. Is it clear? So you have some numbers. So when you say that this particular numbers form the arithmetic progression is when you add one particular or the same number to one term and you get the second term. To the second term, you add the same number, you get the third term. For example, the first number is 1. You are going to add 2 to that. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So to 3, you're going to add the same difference, that is 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. To 5, you're going to add the same number, 5 plus 2 is 7, and so on. So now you say that this particular forms the arithmetic progression. How do you say? The difference between the second term and the first term, you are getting 2. And this is called as the common difference. All right. And the first term is called as A. And so how do you check whether a particular term forms arithmetic progression? The difference between the second term and the first term must be equal to the difference between the third term and the second term. See here, the second term and the first term difference is 2. The difference between the third term and the second term is also 2. So since it forms the same pattern, we can say that this particular term forms the arithmetic progression. I hope you would have understood with the basics, isn't it? So what is AP? Right. So let me give you few sums. For an AP, okay, so we have an AP like this, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and so on. Right? So now you need to tell me what is the first term. Okay. And you need to tell me the common difference. What is the common difference? So here common difference is called as D. The first term is called as A. Isn't it? So let me just look at the chat box. These are very simple sums. But to go with, let us start with the simple sums, isn't it? Yes. Quickly give me the answers, students. First 2 to 3 answers I will take. And after that, quickly we'll move on to the big sums. Yes. So what is the first term here? And yes, the first term. What is the first term in this series? Yes, it is 3 by 2. Reshma, right. And how about the common difference? What is the common difference here? All right. So the common difference should be the difference between the second term and the first term. Isn't it? So what is the difference between the second term and the first term? It is minus 2 by 2, which is minus 1. Yes. Any doubt in the students? All right. Let's move on to the next. Okay. So now I'm giving you which of the following list of numbers form an AP, right? So I'm just giving you this 4, 10, 16, 22. Does this form AP? You need to give it to put your answers in the chat box. Whether this forms the AP. whether the list of numbers form the arithmetic progression. Let me see in the chat box. Yes, many says yes. Right? How? Because the difference, the common difference between the second term and the first term, here 10 minus 4 is 6. Similarly, third term minus second term, 16 minus 10 is 6. So since the difference is same, we say that the particular series form the arithmetic progression. All right, fine. Let me give you one very simple and easy. Before that, let's move on to the nth term. Right. So now what is the nth term? Please note down these simple and very important formulas. The nth term, an of the arithmetic progression, right? Where we have the first term as a, the common difference is d. So what is d? The common difference. So what is the nth term formula? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. All right. Yes. So this is a formula for the nth term. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. All right. Now here the sums. Find the 10th term of the AP. Okay. 2, 7, 12 and so on. Now, give me the answer for the 10th term. So the 10th term should be A10. So what is A10? So before you proceed with the sum, you need to first find out whether the series forms the arithmetic progression. You check whether the series forms the arithmetic progression, and after that, find out the 10th term. I'm giving you 30 seconds. Quickly do it and give me the answer. Put your answer in the chat box and tell me what is A10. So again, I'm repeating you students, we are going with the basics so that you understand the basics very well right from the formulas we are doing today, right? Fine. So give me your answers in the chat box. I want A10. Yes, excellent. It is an AP. That's the first question answer to my first question. Yes. And what is A10? Very good. Shruti, Sai Charan, Mani Teja. Many more are giving me this correct answer. Vaishmini. All right. Excellent. It is 47. How? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is an AP because the difference between the second and the first term is same as the difference between the third and the second term. All right. Now what is A here? A is 2. So 2 plus what is n? N is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. And what is the difference? It is 7 minus 2 is 5. Isn't it? So you will arrive at 47, which is the correct answer. Excellent. All right. So one more question. Just quickly observe the question. Which term of the AP? See, the series is here 21, 18, 15 and so on till minus 81. Okay, and so on is minus 81. Is it clear? The question is which term of the AP? So the term is here 21, 18, 15, okay, and so on is minus 81. So what is that you need to find out? You need to find out n. I've given you the clue. Now find out and tell me the value of n. Yes, so I'm giving you 30 to 35 seconds, not more than that. Use the formulas correctly and give me the answer. All right, students. So which term of the AP? 21, 18, 15. So let me help you here. A is 21. And what is the common difference? 18 minus 21. All right, 18 minus 21 is minus 3. Right? And here you have AN is minus 81. All right. So with this, you will be able to give me the answers correctly. Let me see how many are giving me the value of N. Kumari, Monica, different answers. Shruti, different answers. Yes, Mani Teja, you're right. All right, fine. Let me tell you this. So here we have AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Isn't it? So what is A? A is 21 plus what is N? We don't know N. But we know the common difference, which is 3. And what is AN? I have already told you what is AN. It is minus 81. Right? With this, you will be able to solve the sum. So minus 81 is equal to 21 minus 3 plus N minus 1. Right? Fine. So you will get minus 3N is equal to minus 105, whereby the minus gets cancelled. N is equal to 105 by 3, which implies N is 35. Yes. Is it clear? Now quickly put it in the chat box. You have any doubts in this? How to find out the value of N? Have you understood? Just give me yes or no. Mani Teja says no. Sai Vardhan says yes. Why no? Okay, Mani Teja say now we understand. All right, good, fine. Yes, students. So you have any doubt? Please WhatsApp us. We'll come with more explanations. All right. Let's move on to the next sum. This is a very interesting sum. Right? So you have to determine the AP. So these questions will come as a MCQ. That is, choose the correct answer. But I'm giving you the sum. Just give me the answer without any options. All right. So determine the AP whose third term is 5 and this is 5. Okay. Whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. So now you need to determine the AP. What do you mean by that? You need to tell me the AP series. Right? So I'm giving you 35 seconds. Quickly work it out and give me the answer. By then I'll start giving clues to the students. All right. So quickly work it out and give me the answer. I'm just doing the basics. What is AN? It is A plus N minus 1 into D. So now he says third term. So which means A3 is equal to N plus N minus 1 is 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? 2. So A plus 2D is equal to 5. Right? So here we are getting one equation like. Next, we have the seventh term. So A7 is equal to A plus, what is N? N is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6D is equal to, so here he says it is 9. All right. So we are getting two equations. You have to just solve it and get the value of A and get the value of D. That's it. When you have the value of A, D, you can form a AP. Isn't it? How do you get the value of A? Just minus 1 minus 2. So when you subtract, the sign changes. So A gets cancelled. So 2 minus 6 is minus 4D. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Isn't it? So D is 1. Right. So this D is 1. You can put it in any one equation. Say I'm just taking the first equation and solve it and get the value of A. So 2 ones are 2 is 5. A is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. So we have A as 3. We have D as 1. Right? So you can just form the AP series. A. Right? Next A plus 1. Like that, you can just go on. Now let me see how many have given me this answer. Very good. Sai Charan, excellent. Yes. Vaishmini, you're right. Actually, the names all are running. I'm not able to read all the names. Perfect. Shruti, you're right. Almost all are giving me the right answer, but I can still find many who are not even attempting to do the sums. Please try doing the sum and give me the answer, students. These basics are being done only to quickly do the revision for you all. All right. Yes, I hope this question would have been very clear. Right. So a little different question that we are going to do now. What is that different question? Which is in AP. All right. See, take down the question. How many two-digit numbers? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? All right. So when it comes to your exam, this question will come and 4 options will be given. You have to work it out and pick the correct option, right? So here I'm not giving you the option. You just have to work out and give me the option. Is it clear? So quickly take down the question and then give me the answer. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Yes, just start working out and give me the answer. By then, let me take the new screen and give you the, I'll solve it for you. Okay. So the question is, how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? All right. So when this such question is coming, now you need to list others. Please work out and put your answers in the chat box. I'm just working out for those students who have doubts. Okay. So just listen to this. So before you start with the sum, you need to first list the two-digit numbers, okay, which are divisible by 3. So the first two-digit number which is divisible by 3 is 12. What is the second one? 15. And then goes 18. And so on till the last two-digit number which is divisible by 3 is 99. Now I hope this is clear. No doubts, isn't it? So with now this series forms the arithmetic progression. So whereby you have A as 12, you have D as obviously 3, and you have the last term which is AN is equal to 99. That's it. Now you need to find out N, isn't it? How many two-digit numbers means N. Right. So now you know the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is AN? It is 99. What is A? 12 plus we don't know N. That's what we are supposed to find out. Just put N minus 1 into 3. All right. Fine. So finally, what is N minus 1? N minus 1 will be 29, which gives N is equal to 30. So if this is your answer, this is the number that you need to tick. Your answer will be 30, 25, 20, like that. So you need to work out like this and then tick the correct answer, which is 30. All right, let me check the chat box. How many have given me? All very good, excellent. No what to say. Saivardhan, Vaishmini. Many have given me 30 as a correct answer. Before I worked out, you all worked out and gave me the answer. Excellent. Yes, good. Fine. Right. See the next question. The question is, find the 11th term. Okay. From the, see the question is little twisted. Quickly understand the question or note down the question. Find the 11th term from the last term of the AP. So your AP series is 10, 7, 4 and so on till 62, minus 62. Is it clear? So understand the question. You are asked to find out the 11th term from the last term of the AP. And here I would like to highlight that you have another formula. For the last term, it is A plus N minus 1 into D. All right. Yes. Now with this, quickly work it out and give me the answer. How many are going to give me the answer? Let's see. Yes. So let me work out for you before you all, by the time you try. So your last term is this. Your first term is this. Again, here we are supposed to find out the value of n, isn't it? So n minus 1, we don't know. What is the common difference? 7 minus 10 is minus 3. All right. Now give me the value of n. I have worked out almost 80% of your problem. So I'm sure many would have done. Let me see the chat box. How many are doing? Kumari, you're right. Monika, check your answer. Almost the sum is done. You just have to get the value of n. Isn't it? So what is 10 minus 3? 7. Bring the plus 7 that side. N minus 1 you will get. Find the value of n. That's it. Yes, students, please try it by yourself and then give me the answer. I don't know, Shalini, how you're getting this number. Monica, check your answer. Ishwant, Shruti. Probably if I give you the options, you all will be able to do, isn't it? So this is into, not minus. N minus 1 into D. So I think that is the place where you're getting confused. 10 minus 3n plus 3. So minus 3 into n is minus 3n. Minus into minus is plus 3 is equal to minus 62. All right. So now you will be getting the answer, isn't it? So when this 10 goes that side, it becomes minus 72. Isn't it? And minus 62. Okay, I'm just taking, bringing the minus 62 here. So 10 plus 62 plus 3 is equal to, I'm pushing this minus 3 and that side, it becomes plus 3n, right? So thereby, so 62 plus 10 is 72. 72 plus 3 is 75 is equal to 3n. So what is n? 75 by 3, which implies your n is 25. So if you are getting your option, your n is 25, then your answer is right. All right, students. So please understand the sum before you do it. All right, fine. Next, I wanted to just tell you about the sum of the first n terms. All right. All right. Yes. So quickly look at the board. This is the sum of the first n terms of an AP. All right. So what is the sum of the first n terms of the AP? It is nothing but n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for sum of the first n terms. So if the question says find out the sum of the n term, then you should use this formula. For example, quickly note down the sum and do and give me the answer. Find the sum of the first 22 terms of an AP, okay, where the series is 8, 3, minus 2 and so on. So now give me the answer for S. For now, you can use your calculator because we are in short of time. You cannot take so much time. So please use the calculator and then work it out and then give me the answer. Yes, by then, let me tell you what is N. So you have to use this formula. S is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into N into D, whereby your A is 8, right? Your D is 3 minus 8, which is minus 5, right? And what is your n? Your n is 22 because you are asked to find out the first 22 terms. That's it. You just have to substitute all this in the formula and give me the value of S. All right. So I'm just giving you three options. Is it 879? Is it 979? Or is it minus 979? So just choose among these three. Don't put pinky ponky. Just work it out and then give me the answer. Let me see the chat box. How many are going to give me the answer? Mani Teja, your answer is something different. Work it out. Time is given, isn't it? So you can use your calculator in case you need it. Formulas there, the values are given. Just work it out and tell me the answer. So usual routine sum, isn't it? Yes, Sai Vardhan, you're absolutely right. How about others? Vaishmini, you are in short of one symbol. Yes, others. Students, please work it out and give me your answer. Don't do just by choice. Yaneshwar, you're right. All right. So let me tell you, the answer is minus 979. If this is your answer, then you will get full marks for this. Am I clear with this? If there's any doubt, I don't think you must be having any doubt. All right. Yes. Fine. So now one simple question, let me give you. All right. Yes. Fine. So we have k plus 2, 4k minus 6, and 3k minus 2 are they are 3 consecutive terms in AP. Now find out the value of k. So we have already revised about this. There's one formula called B is equal to A plus C by 2. With this formula, another clue I can give you, you can take this as A, you can take this as B, you can take this as C. Yes, quickly give me the value of K. Yes, 35 seconds I'm giving you, not more than that. Please work it out. You can even write the sums and work it out so that it will be useful for you for the revision. All right, 35 seconds are absolutely running. Let me see the chat box. How many are going to give me the... Yes, Kumari, you're right. Sai Vardhan, you're short of one number. Work it out and give me. It's very simple, isn't it? You just have to put the formula B is equal to A plus C by 2. All right, let me work it out for those. What is B here? We have assumed B to be 4k minus 6 is equal to what is A, k plus 2. And what is C? 3k minus 2 by 2. Isn't it? So 4k minus 2. First solve this. What is 3 plus 1? 4k. Plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. So you get by 2. So this itself you can cancel, which becomes 2. Therefore, 4k minus 6 is equal to 2. Therefore, 4k is equal to, when this minus 6 goes to the other side, it becomes plus 6. So it becomes 6 plus 2, which is 8. And what is k now? 8 by... one second. B is equal to A plus C by 2. Okay. Yes. Okay. Fine. So here what you will get is twice of 4k minus 6 is 4k. Okay. Whereby your 2k will be 6 and your k will be 6 by 2, which implies k will be 6 by 2 is 3. Not 4k. Is it clear? If your value of your k is 3, then your answer is right. Right, let me see now how many are giving me the value of k is 3. Yes, now many are giving me the value of k is 3. All right, so one more simple question for you. Let's see how many are giving me the answer. Yes, tell me the sum of the terms. The sum of the terms 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till n is dash. Right? So I'm giving you 4 options. Is it n into n plus 1 by 2? Or is it n square into n square plus 1 by 2? Or is it n cube into n cube plus 1 by 3? Yes. Is it option 1, option 2, option 3? Simple question. You definitely need to know this. This does not require any workings. All right. Yes. Vishwanath, please check your answer. Sorry, Vishwant. Sai Charan and others are right. Vishwant, check your answer. Vaishmini, you're right. Yes. Now, Vishwant, you're right. Perfect. All right. Yes. Fine. So, the correct answer is option 1. N into n plus 1 by 2. All right, students. So, few questions I was able to do. I mean, rather we were able to do in arithmetic progression. So, for your exams, please learn all these basics, your formulas, and quickly revise those sums that we have discussed in our class. All right. All the very best for your exams. Over to Chandrika, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, students, I hope all of you have understood the session. సో మ్యాథ్స్ ఫిజిక్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ప్రాబ్లమాటిక్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మీరు నోట్బుక్ లో రాసుకోండి, రైట్? రాసి చేసుకోండి. ఎప్పుడు క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యే ముందు ఒక బుక్, పెన్ ఆర్ పెన్సిల్ పెట్టుకొని కూర్చోండి. అండ్ అనదర్ థింగ్ ఈజ్, వెన్ వి మెట్ ఫ్యూ స్టూడెంట్స్, మిమ్మల్ని మీట్ అవ్వడానికి వచ్చాం కదా, అప్పుడు వేరే వాళ్ళ స్టూడెంట్స్ తో కూడా మేము కమ్యూనికేట్ అయ్యాము. బట్ దే హ్యావ్ నాట్ రిజిస్టర్డ్ ఫర్ దిస్ ఫ్రీ కోచింగ్ క్లాసెస్. వాళ్ళకి ఫ్రీ కోచింగ్ క్లాసెస్ గురించి కూడా తెలియదంట. సో మీరు ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి, మీ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ లో ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. వాళ్ళు చాలా బాధపడ్డారు ఇట్లా ఫ్రీ కోచింగ్ అటెండ్ అవ్వలేకపోయారని చెప్పేసి. సో అది ఆ గ్యాప్ మనం ఫిల్ చేయాలి అంటే అట్లీస్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్ వాళ్ళు ఒకవేళ పాలిసెట్ అప్లై చేస్తుంటే వాళ్ళకి ఇది కూడా యూజ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి. సో ప్లీజ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ టు వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్స్. మీ 10th వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, అందులో ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. ఈ లింక్ ఇప్పుడు డైలీ ఏదైతే పెడుతున్నారో ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. వాళ్ళకు కూడా చెప్పండి 9642215226 నంబర్కి మెసేజ్ చేసి రిజిస్టర్ అవుతే, మెసేజ్ చేస్తే మేము లింక్ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాము. సో వాళ్ళు కూడా ఈ క్లాసెస్ వినొచ్చు. ఓకే, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో 10th క్లాస్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ ఉంటుంది కదా మీకు, ఆ గ్రూప్ లో ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. అండ్ అనదర్ థింగ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు రిమైండ్ ఇస్, సో కెరియర్ గైడెన్స్ సెషన్ కూడా జరిగింది ఈ రోజు. ఫ్యూ స్టూడెంట్స్ హ్యావ్ అటెండెడ్. అండ్ ఇంకా కెరియర్ గైడెన్స్ సెక్షన్స్ మీకు ఫ్రీగా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నాం మా టీం నుంచి. అలాంటి ఆపర్చునిటీస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మాక్సిమం క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగి మీ క్వైరీస్ ఏమన్నా ఉంటే కూడా మీరు సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవాలి, రైట్? మీరు నెక్స్ట్ ఫ్యూచర్ ఏం చేయాలి ఏంటి అనేది మీకు క్లారిటీ రావడం కోసమే కెరియర్ గైడెన్స్ సెషన్ అనేది మా టీం నుంచి మీకు స్పాన్సర్ చేయడం అయ్యింది. సో అట్లాంటివి ఉన్నప్పుడు దాంట్లో ఏవైతే వాళ్ళు వేటి రిలేటెడ్ అయితే చెప్తున్నారో వాటి గురించి మొత్తం మీరు నాలెడ్జ్ తెచ్చుకొని తర్వాత మీరు ఏది తీసుకోవాలనేది సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, రైట్? సో నెక్స్ట్ టైం కెరియర్ గైడెన్స్ సెషన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు యూజ్ చేసుకోండి, వాళ్ళతో ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవ్వడానికి యూజ్ చేయండి. ద మెయిన్ థింగ్ ఇస్ ఇంటరాక్షన్. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ ఇంటరాక్ట్ యూ విల్ బీ స్టాప్ వేర్ ఎవర్ యు ఆర్. ఎక్కడున్నారో అక్కడే ఆగిపోతారు. ఎప్పుడైనా కానీ ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవ్వాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ కీ టు గెట్ సక్సెస్. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, సో అగైన్ టుమారో విల్ బీ హ్యావింగ్ క్లాస్ at 7:30. Join by 7:25 p.m. Yes, the number is 9642215226. You can please write down 9642215226. Yes, Vishwanath, మేము వరంగల్ సైడ్ కూడా వచ్చాము. Number is 9642215226. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. And forward to your friends. Don't forget friends కి ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్స్ లోకి ఈ లింక్ ని ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. జూమ్ లింక్ మీకు ఏదైతే వస్తుందో ఈ లింక్ ని ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. లెట్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఆల్సో గెయిన్ ది నాలెడ్జ్, రైట్? Again, we will meet tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. By 7:25, please log in through the link. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology.